Now, AI's shaking up the job market. Big question, are we toast? Or is it a golden ticket? Forget simple answers. We're diving into a system that actually maps this out. So the usual hype is AI takes all jobs or AI saves us all. Cute, but useless. The real action is at the task level. What specific things do people do? Which skills are non-negotiable? Where can machines help, and where do they hit a wall? That's where DIKWP WorkFuture OS shines. It dissects jobs into tasks, skills, tools, risks, and opportunities. Think of it as your X-ray for future-proofing your career or your company's strategy. No more guesswork, just data-driven clarity. It's about understanding the nitty-gritty changes and planning smart transitions. Who needs vague predictions when you can have a roadmap? Now, how does this magic happen? It leans on the DIKWP model: data, information, knowledge, wisdom, intent. Sounds fancy, right? Think of it like this: raw data is just numbers. Information gives them context. Knowledge connects the dots logically. Wisdom is making good judgments based on that. And intent? That's deciding what to do next. DIKWP WorkFuture OS plugs into this chain. It doesn't just spit out answers, it shows you the reasoning, the evidence, the goals. It connects the semantic structure, the knowledge base, the objectives, the proof, and the accountability. This makes AI systems less like black boxes and more like transparent partners we can actually trust and check. It's about building AI we can understand and govern. And here's the kicker: it's open source on GitHub. Public, accessible, constantly updated. Think of it as the AI world's open notebook. You can see the work, track the progress, even contribute. This isn't just code, it's a commitment to transparency. Need to show someone what you're working on? Point them to the repo. Writing a paper, citing it adds serious credibility. It turns abstract research into something tangible, verifiable. It's proof in action. This openness builds trust faster than any press release ever could. It's the ultimate cheat code for collaboration and understanding. So wrapping up, this project isn't an island. It fits into a bigger picture of next-gen AI research that cares about transparency, evidence, and responsibility, not just raw power. For you? It means the future of work is dynamic but not unknowable. Use tools like these to navigate it. Stay curious, stay informed.